Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You open Creative and pick a flat island to save time. This matters because geometry wastes build minutes. Once loaded, you enable Creative HUD and set player limits, time of day, and build permissions so tests behave predictably. Next, place a player spawn and open My Island to configure game settings. Then add a simple trigger device to start interactions. This is your first actionable mechanic, and it proves systems work before you expand. You now create the training flow by placing targets, a score manager, and a weapon spawner so players can immediately engage. Once done, link devices with channels and use a sequencer for timed waves. Label each channel to avoid confusion later. Make sure device settings match your intent, set target hit points, score values, and respawn delays. Also configure spawn permissions and weapon ammo so the drill runs cleanly without players exploiting mechanics, which ensures consistency. You finish by adding polish, text ribbons, HUD widgets, and a countdown timer so players know objectives and remaining time. Then test in play mode and observe behavior. Make sure scores register and respawns work. If something fails, isolate the issue, disable non-essential devices and test a single component, then re-enable devices one by one. Finally, adjust channel connections, permissions, and delays. This methodical approach prevents guesswork and gets your training map reliable and replayable quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.